In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on notifications for Outlook in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a professional managing multiple projects or a student trying to keep track of assignments and communications, having notifications enabled in Outlook ensures that you never miss an important email or update. By following these steps, you'll be kept in the loop no matter where you are. To get started, open your web browser and head to the Outlook login page on the Microsoft 365 website. Type outlook.com or Microsoft 365 Outlook into your search bar, and you'll typically find it as one of the top results. Once you land on the page, you should see the familiar Outlook interface with various options laid out for logging in. Next, click on the Sign In button that is displayed prominently on the page. This will direct you to the Outlook login screen. Ensure you have your email address and password at hand. You'll need them to continue. Enter your details carefully, making sure everything is correct, and then click the Sign In button again to access your inbox. Now that you're logged into your Outlook account, you'll be directed to your main mail screen. This is your central hub for all things email, where you'll see all your received, sent, and scheduled mails. Notice the navigation pane on the left, which is your tool for accessing the various features Outlook offers, from your inbox and calendar to settings and more. To proceed, you'll need to access your settings. Locate and click on the settings gear icon, typically found towards the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking this will open a quick settings sidebar on the right side of your window, offering a brief overview of customizations available to you. However, for what we're doing today, you'll need the full settings options, so go ahead and click on the View All Outlook Settings link at the bottom of this sidebar. Once you're in the full settings menu, navigate to the General category. You'll find this listed alongside other categories like Mail and Calendar. Click on General to expand your options. This section allows you to modify a variety of settings that apply to your overall Outlook experience, from language preferences to accessibility options. From here, you'll want to locate and click on Notifications. In this section, you have the control to enable or disable various notifications, ensuring you receive alerts for the activities and updates that matter most to you. Notifications are paramount to maintaining a streamlined workflow, as they alert you of incoming messages, ensuring you're always informed even if you're not actively checking your inbox. You'll find options to enable notifications for both the web version of Outlook and potentially for desktop if you're using an integrated app. Typically, you'll see toggles or checkboxes next to each type of notification. Make sure that these are switched on or checked according to your preferences. Enabling these ensures you'll receive instant alerts about new messages or calendar events, helping you stay organized and responsive. After adjusting your notification settings to your liking, look for the Save button. It will usually be at the bottom right corner of your settings screen. Clicking Save applies all the changes you've made. It's a crucial step because failing to save may result in losing all the customization work you've just done. Once saved, you have successfully enabled notifications, ensuring you are always updated with any incoming or important events related to your Outlook. And that's it. You've now set up notifications in Outlook, making sure you stay connected and never miss an important update. It's a simple yet incredibly effective way to enhance productivity and ensure you're always on top of your emails and schedules. Remember, these settings can always be revisited and adjusted to fit your needs, whether you find you need more notifications to keep track of everything or fewer to minimize distractions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your day-to-day communication and scheduling just a little bit easier. Be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks in navigating and optimizing Outlook and other applications in your digital toolkit.